Sides. Tom McKee just stepped out of the Campbell County courtroom. He is live with the latest. Tom.
Well, here's some interesting statistics about the case. It's been 6 years and 6 days since Ryan Poston was shot 6 times by Shayna Hubers in Highland Heights. Today, she learned that she's going to spend the rest of her life in prison because of that. She showed no reaction when that sentence was handed down. It was the one that was recommended by the jury, and Judge Daniel Zella agreed. It was her second trial. The first one, the sentence was 40 years in prison, but juror misconduct scrubbed that trial. We had the second case. The defense attorney, David Eldridge, in the case asked for 20 years, saying Hubers would not repeat her crime and she could become a productive citizen. But prosecutor Michelle Snodgrass scoffed at that, saying it was an execution-style killing. And what she said in her statement was she recalled Hubers' rambling statement the night she shot him, and what remembers about that horrifying couple of words. Just listen.
Hubers has the record that cries out for a conclusion that there really isn't a risk of recidivism, and there isn't a risk of her future criminal behavior. The record cries out for a recognition that her behavior on the evening of October 12th, 2012 is mitigated by her immaturity and by her psychological disorders.
And I watched him as he twitched. So I shot him more times to make sure he was dead. What is more callous than that? And I have said this before. I think this is nothing, this is how you treat roadkill, to put them out of their misery. She took away any chance of life-saving measures by waiting as she watched him twitch. By putting that final bullet, what was it that she said? And then I knew he was dead.
Now, probably the most emotional testimony of the day came from Jay Poston, Ryan's father. He took the stand, read a letter from that he had written to the judge about the case, asking for life in prison, and talking about how the family will celebrate all the holidays in the future years without Ryan there, just as they have for the past years, like I said, 6 years and 6 days. Tom McKee, Not on Your Side, live in Newport.